Hi guys, it's Paschal here. So in this video, I've got a little guest here. Her name is don't press it.
Stop! Stop!
Don't press it.
I could work at here.
Yeah.
Food. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Practice. Bye.
Yes.
4, 3,
Are you guys in this
1.
job with me? How can I post? I need to post this on my YouTube channel. Olivia, I need to record a video for my YouTube channel. Why are you interrupting? Guys, this is what we see. If you got kids, you're looking to post a proper video. They have been inside, I've been in the room trying to get this video out. Kids are awake. It's challenging to do these things. Now, a lot of people ask me, Pascal, what is the secret behind starting a business online and building a profitable online business? I'll tell you this real truth. This is the secret. You just gotta take the action. Regardless of how it comes, I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm not gonna record it again. It's one of those things I will look back 5 years from now when she will grow. I'll tell her I tried to record a video on my YouTube channel and you were disturbing me when I was literally starting. So these are moments I want to remember. These are moments I want to cherish. It's not about putting the video out there that is perfect with all the editing, all the software. It's good if you get that done, that's great. But for me, I just like to enjoy the ride. There's no pressure to make this video the best or anything. So I learned that from a book. I always tell you the strangest secret said, you will become what you think about. You will become what you think about. And that's what I encourage you to do. This is my 7th video for this week. And that means one video every day. That's the challenge. If you want to build a YouTube channel, you got to post videos every day. So I'm building my YouTube channel. So if you want to know how I'm doing it, subscribe and comment below. We will get in touch and we can help each other see how we can make these things happen. But at the end of the day, a lot of people wait and say they wait for the perfect time. They need to get a perfect camera. They need to get the perfect lighting. They need to get all the stuff that they need, which is great if you can have all those things. But what if you don't have it? Does it mean you can't start? No. Start with what you have, where you are. It's the procrastination that kills most people. And this held me back for 7 years. And I am determined to eradicate it from my life. Very determined. Very determined. That's why I came out here to make this video. My daughter followed me because I just wanted quiet peace. But I can't just, she's my daughter. I can't just kick her away because of video I want to show to the world. This is how my life is. I'm just going to share it with you and let you know. If you have kids, family, children, husband, wife, you might be wanting to do something in a business and they interrupt. Just let it flow. Let it flow. There's no hard feeling about it. Enjoy the ride. Don't beat yourself up. This is the moment. Enjoy this moment. And it's not gonna make this YouTube channel fall if I post one video where my daughter is. So the idea that everything has to look perfect, to me it's nonsense. I'll just give it to you the way I get it. So feel free to subscribe and follow the journey. As of this week, we are winners. We have conquered. We are creating a spectacular result. It's just that simple thing to post. Yes, come. Yeah. So to build a YouTube channel, you gotta post videos every day on your channel. So whatever you want to speak about it and feel comfortable in your own skin doing that. And people will like you for who you are. Anybody that doesn't like you won't like you. You can't do much about it. So I encourage you to take action on whatever you want to do with your life. The best moment to start was yesterday. The next best time to start is today. You got to eliminate procrastination. I've learned this. It's kind of a hard lesson for me to learn. So I'm constantly working on myself to create this change, to eradicate procrastination. And if you're going to come across and work with me, that's the first thing we're going to be dealing with. No more excuses why things can't be done. We just go out and make it happen. So this week, according to the Stranger's Secret, we are successful. 7 videos, 7 days, 1 every day. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. There's no way, he said, there's no way you post videos every day on your YouTube channel, you're not going to grow. It's impossible. And I think that philosophy is very simple and straightforward. But hey, that's the same thing that most people think there's a different strategy to building it. It's not. Let's build your channel and find people that will motivate you or encourage you to do it. And that's why I recommend to you. Apart from that, whatever you're procrastinating on all these years, the best time you should have started was yesterday. The next best time you should start is today. Take action. If you want to use the same training that I used, there'll be links around this video to help you, guide you. Subscribe. You'll be seeing this content, what I'm going through, what I'm experiencing, whatever ideas that I get, I share them with you as I go along. So it's gonna go on for another 30 days to the end of the month. We build on that. All right. Apart from that, my good friend, you have been successful this week. The next thing is, let's go make plan for next week and create the change that we want in our lives for our children, our families, and all our loved ones. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.